Welcome to the exciting world of car modification, where your vehicle isn't just a mode of transport, but a canvas for personal expression and enhanced performance. Whether you're looking to boost horsepower, improve handling, or simply make your ride stand out from the crowd, the realm of car accessories offers endless possibilities. From subtle tweaks to dramatic transformations, understanding the options available can help you craft a truly unique and exhilarating driving experience. Join us as we explore some of the most popular and impactful car modification accessories that can redefine your vehicle. One of the most thrilling avenues for modification lies in boosting your car's performance, and often, the journey begins under the hood. Engine tuning, primarily through ECU remapping, is a popular choice. This involves optimizing the engine control unit's software to fine-tune parameters like fuel delivery, ignition timing, and turbocharger boost pressure. The result can be a significant increase in horsepower and torque, leading to a more responsive and powerful driving experience. It's a modification that truly unlocks the hidden potential of your engine. Complementing engine tuning, a high-performance exhaust system is another foundational modification for those seeking more power and a distinctive sound. Aftermarket exhausts are designed to improve exhaust gas flow, reducing back pressure and allowing the engine to breathe more freely. Beyond the performance gains, a well-chosen exhaust system can dramatically alter your car's auditory signature, transforming it from a subdued hum to a throaty growl or a high-pitched scream, depending on your preference and the system's design. To further enhance engine performance, consider upgrading your car's air intake system. Stock airboxes often prioritize quiet operation and cost-effectiveness, but aftermarket cold air intakes are engineered to deliver a larger volume of cooler, denser air to the engine. Cooler air contains more oxygen, which leads to more efficient combustion and consequently, more power. This modification can also introduce a satisfying induction sound, adding to the overall driving enjoyment. Moving beyond raw power, improving your car's handling is crucial for a more engaging and confident drive. Suspension upgrades are a primary focus here. Coilovers, for instance, replace the factory shock absorbers and springs with adjustable units, allowing you to fine-tune ride height, damping, and rebound. Lowering springs offer a simpler way to reduce ride height, improving aesthetics and lowering the car's center of gravity for better cornering stability. These modifications can dramatically transform your car's cornering prowess and road feel. The connection between your car and the road rests entirely on its wheels and tires, making them critical components for both performance and aesthetics. Upgrading to lighter, stronger aftermarket wheels can reduce unsprung weight, improving acceleration, braking, and handling. Pairing these new wheels with performance tires, designed for better grip in various conditions, will further enhance your car's road-holding capabilities. The right set of wheels and tires can truly redefine your vehicle's stance and dynamic behavior. When you increase a car's performance, it's imperative to also enhance its stopping power. Brake upgrades are essential for safety and confidence, especially during spirited driving. This can range from installing performance brake pads and rotors, which offer better fade resistance and bite, to full big brake kits featuring larger calipers and discs. BBKs not only provide superior stopping force but also add a visually aggressive touch behind your new wheels. For those focused on exterior aesthetics and aerodynamics, body kits offer a comprehensive styling overhaul. These typically include front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and sometimes wider fenders, designed to give your car a more aggressive, sporty, or even exotic appearance. Beyond visual appeal, some body kit components, such as spoilers and diffusers, are engineered to improve aerodynamic efficiency, reducing lift and increasing downforce at higher speeds. Lighting modifications are an excellent way to update your car's look and improve visibility. Modern LED headlights and taillights offer brighter illumination, longer lifespan, and often a more contemporary design compared to factory halogen bulbs. Daytime running lights can add a distinct visual signature, while interior ambient lighting kits allow you to customize the mood and atmosphere within your cabin with a spectrum of colors. Transforming your car's exterior doesn't always require permanent changes. Vehicle wraps offer a fantastic alternative to a full paint job, allowing for dramatic color changes, intricate designs, or even textured finishes like matte or satin. Wraps protect the original paint underneath and can be removed without damage, offering flexibility for those who like to frequently refresh their car's appearance. It's a versatile way to achieve a unique look. Stepping inside, the interior of your car offers plenty of opportunities for personalization. Upgrading seats to performance-oriented bucket seats or more supportive ergonomic designs can significantly improve comfort and lateral support during spirited driving. An aftermarket steering wheel, often smaller in diameter or with a thicker grip, can enhance driving feel and offer a sportier aesthetic. These changes make the driver's interface more engaging and personalized. In the modern age, infotainment and audio systems are central to the driving experience. Upgrading your head unit to one with a larger touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or advanced navigation can bring your car's tech into the 21st century. High-fidelity aftermarket speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers can transform your car into a mobile concert hall, delivering crisp highs, rich mids, and powerful bass that factory systems simply can't match. Further enhancing the interior ambience, small details can make a big difference. Custom floor mats, pedal sets, shift knobs, and interior trim pieces in carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, or wood grain can elevate the cabin's luxury or sportiness. Even subtle additions like custom gauges or a digital display can provide more information and a modern touch, making the interior feel truly bespoke and tailored to your tastes. Beyond aesthetics and performance, practical accessories can significantly improve your daily driving experience and safety. Dash cameras, for instance, provide an invaluable eyewitness in case of accidents or incidents, offering peace of mind. Parking sensors and rearview cameras, especially for older vehicles, can make maneuvering in tight spaces much easier and safer, preventing costly bumps and scrapes. These modifications combine utility with modern convenience. While the allure of modification is strong, it's paramount to consider the legality and safety implications of any changes you make. Different regions have varying regulations regarding vehicle modifications, particularly concerning emissions, noise levels, and exterior lighting. Always research local laws before undertaking any significant changes. Furthermore, ensure that any modifications are installed correctly by qualified professionals to maintain your vehicle's safety and reliability. Ultimately, car modification is about transforming a mass-produced vehicle into a reflection of your personality and driving desires. It's a journey of discovery, learning, and hands-on engagement with your machine. Whether your goal is track day dominance, show-stopping aesthetics, or simply a more enjoyable daily commute, the World of Car Accessories offers the tools to build your dream car. So, whether you're meticulously planning your next performance upgrade or just contemplating a subtle cosmetic tweak, remember the endless possibilities that car modification accessories present. It's an opportunity to create something truly unique, to enhance your driving experience, and to express your passion for automobiles. Drive safe, modify responsibly, and enjoy the ride.